I can't do everything. So, here we go. I thought, being as though I haven't been able to do any, turn that kick off. Can't do any YouTubing in my cab. I thought I'd better go and do it in the truck instead. Me car, me pap, me baby. So, as the camera gets attacked by the trees, and my phone falls off my leg because of the fucking thing bumping all over the place. But hey, whatever, we'll get there in the end. So, like I said before, I haven't had a chance to do a drive along today, so here we go, on the top of the car. I'm going to go round to the shop, because I need I need a card for my sister, so I've got to go and get a card. This will be a test, this is a test way of doing a video. So if the fucking camera is still up there after it's been whacked with the fucking tree, great, but if it ain't, well, fuck. Happy days, oh happy days. Sometimes I come up with some really strange ideas. Oh, there we go. Oh, I missed the fucking car, pap. La 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 la, yes, the jingling, jangling noise is the keys of my car. How annoying is that? Tough shit. That's what I say. Oh, there we go. My lady friend is getting into this conversation larkies with all the whatchamacallit, Skyping and phoning and what have you. Yes, I am enjoying myself with this lark, it's pretty cool. Right, let's go up to the shop, shall we? Oh, and that scroping of these, my brakes, because my brakes, something wrong with my brakes in my car. I don't know what it is, but there's something wrong. I ain't got a clue what. Right, whatever. Anyway, we are now at the shop. We're at the shop. Yay! So what I shall do is I'll turn it off for a sec and I'll be back in a mo. Okay, we are now back. Officially back. Just got to find my fucking keys now. Here we go. La 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 la. And pop round my sisters. Go and give her a birthday card. Might as well, hadn't I? Gives us something to go and drive around and look at. And everybody else will be staring at me seeing this camera on top of the roof of my car going, what the fuck is that dickhead doing? Well, yes, me the dickhead. Having a drive along for you lot. But a little bit of a different drive along, don't you think? I know it's not your usual fucking cab and steering wheel and all that sort of cack, but this is like I said earlier, it's like a bit of a test. I want to do this doing this for a reason. I want to try something out, something new, as you do. You know what I mean? Because you never know if it works. Then things might get a little bit different from now on, as you do. This is, where can I put this? Where are we? We are down by, Streets Lane, just gone past Streets Lane. I have no idea what this road is actually called. I couldn't tell you if my life depended on it, because I've grown up around here, I've lived around here all my life, so to know all the streets, I've had no need to. Because at the end of the day, what's the fucking point? I know where I am. You know what I mean? So why on earth would I have to know the names of the streets? Unless you're my mother, then she knows every street around here. It makes me laugh. It's not bad so far, is it? Something different in it. Something different in it. And then when I've done this, we can drive back. Might as well give it a whole loop. Oh look, pushing traffic. Right. Just what we want. Why is there so much traffic? I mean, this is like a little village, this is, and yet, look at all this cack. Fucking immense, isn't it? Back in the day, I mean, you could drive around here and you'd probably see 2 or 3 people driving around, but now, fucking hell, man. That many cars around here is ridiculous. It really is absolutely ridiculous. But hey, whatever. Who am I? I'm just a mere driver. Myself, you know, clogging the fucking road up as you do. Now, looks like, Mick has changed his wheels. He got rid of those alloys he had originally, and he swapped them for another pair. Right. I think that will do. Okie dokie, me jokey. I know I'm making a row and all that, but never mind. Well, I will speak to you in a bit. Toodle pip. So now we can trolley along. Let's get ourselves back off home, shall we? Happy fucking days, as you do. Kadunk. The fun will be editing it. That's what I like to do. I like the editing side of all these videos. It's quite cool. It's very interesting. Oh, by the way, my sister's 39 years of an old fart today. I am older than she is, mind you, but you know, but she's still old. They won't like me saying that, mind you, but she's old. She's an old fart now, tra-la-la. She's a really, really old fart. I say that with such love and admiration is the word I'm looking for. Get my fucking tongue out. It's all good fun. What a day. What a fucking day. What a fucking day again. All the sunshine and everything. Apparently, according to the weather, we are supposed to be getting sometime soon a bit of a heat wave. Now, according to it, it's going to last about 3 fucking months, but when they say 3 months, they mean about 3.5 fucking hours in our country. It's useless. Fucking summer's crap. But the ideal summer would be, right now, bear with me, but this would be the ideal summer. Right, first of all, red hot all day, and as it gets to around about 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, piss down the rain like fucking torrential bollocks for about half an hour, and then cools down. And the next day, sun shines back on again. I think that would be the ultimate kind of weather for a summer. That'd be perfect, that would. Absolutely perfect. Tink donk, tink donk, tink donk. Ooh, la la la. Do you see what I mean by all these fucking bumps and clicks and bangs and fuck? It's just terrible, isn't it? I mean, I've got this fucking 4-wheel drive thing now, and it's like much better, but it still ain't how good, is it really? Humpty, 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 Humpty. Fucking Humpty, Humpty, fucking Dumpty. La 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 la. Ooh, isn't it wonderful? Oh, well, Agatoo. Not a bad little tour around the estate, that was it really? Did you enjoy that? It's something different in it, you know what I mean? That's what I say. Something different. At the end of the day, I couldn't do a drive along, so I thought, why not do this instead? Watch the kids scatter as I come along my garden, which they probably will do in a sec, don't they? Oh, there we are. Hanging on the tree that I asked them not to do, breaking my fucking branches off, which I asked them not to do. Oi! Get off the fucking tree, you little tow rag. Right, we are done. We are dunded. Dunded and dunded. So I will speak to you again later. Toodles, bye, and all that shit.